think this is purely a reaction video to all those cockroaches who are trying to block my video. This is purely a reaction video. I'm gaining nothing out of it. I'm just trying to entertain viewers and watch the videos along with the viewers or my subscribers or anyone for that matter. So hope you all enjoy it, and if you do, please do like, share and subscribe and share this video, and please do put in your comments so that I can do more and more videos like previously I have done. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started.
Welcome back to Legends. Kristen and Chris have proven themselves worthy and now have earned the right to enter Olmec's temple. But before they get started, Olmec's going to give them some information to help them retrieve the jewel-encrusted egg of Catherine the Great.
You could start by running up the stairs to the crypt. Grab the book from the skeletons and pass into the pit of the pendulum. Knock over the column and climb into the king's storeroom. Smash the clay pots to find a key that will lead you into the chamber of the sacred marbles. Match the symbols on the right to those on the left and pass into the room.
The best part about season 2 and season 3, they add a background music. If you can observe, like when the door opens, there's a background music.
Assemble the statue and you may be headed toward the room.
Secret password. The secret password is always opens the same.
And shout it out to open the door to the Pharaoh's secret passage. Slide down the tunnel to the quicksand bog.
I don't know why they renamed it to something else. It's actually the Pirate Cove from season 1.
May inhabit the tree.
It's just the same room for all the 3 seasons. It's been the same room for all the 3 seasons. My favorite room, Justice Court.
Against the correct wall painting, and you'll gain entry to the tomb of the headless kings. Pull the binds to release their bones, and attach the missing skull to its proper king. Then race through the pit. Climb through the ledges.
Race down the stairs and back to the temple gates.
The choices are yours and yours alone.
Send the girl first. No.
Pendants in the temple games. Who's going first?
I am.
Very well, Chris.
Chris shouldn't be going first.
You'll race through the gates.
No, Chris. Send Kristen first.
The jewel-encrusted egg. Hidden inside the temple are temple guards.
But in Chris we believe.
Rooms. You can trade your pendant.
Chris is smart. He's quick.
You'll be taken out of the temple, and it'll be Kristen's turn to enter and try her luck. If you can reach the...
Since they have 2 pendants, there's obviously no worries about the other half pendant. But we can always guess where the 3 temple guards are. The green, golden, the other temple guard.
Come to Mexico. Get in position.
Come to Mexico.
Lower your gate, Olmec.
I think going to Mexico in the 90s was a big thing.
Put 3
I don't
minutes
know.
on the clock. On your mark. Get set. Go. There he goes. There goes Chris.
Chris is super fast.
Into the temple with 2 pendants.
Ah, I hate you, temple guard, in the first ever room, temple guard. Pull one more. There's one more, boy.
There it is. Going to the pit of the pendulum.
Wasted
Those
a
temple
few
guards
seconds over there.
mess around with your brain a little bit.
Don't go up, don't go up, don't go up. Chris, don't go up. Trust me, Chris. Chris, you're wasting time. Don't go up. That's smart. That's smart. That's smart. For Lord's sake, man. That is absolutely... That's absolutely bad. How can you have 2 temple guards in the very first 2 sections of the temple, man? Oh, that's a superb jump. Kristen, you beauty. What a jump that was. She saved a lot of time there.
This girl's serious. She's got the head. Now, make it hard beat. Make it beat.
Come on, Kristen. That's it. Into the Justice Court. Go into the center one. Center one. Center one. It's always the center one.
With the figures.
No, it's not the first one. It will never be the first one.
Try the middle. Yes.
There you go. Into the dark forest. Find the key. Find the key. You have a pendant. Find the key. Find the key. Find the key. There will be a temple guard for sure.
The key busts through the wall, maybe.
No, don't bust to the wall. Don't bust to the wall. There you go. I told you. The shortcut works. The shortcut works.
She's got time. Go, Chris.
She's got plenty of time.
Put that monkey together.
Kirk Fogg was misleading them into
The other way.
No, the other way. This is the worst part where people fail to assemble, but she's doing a good job. She has 1 minute left. That's a smart thing to do, to carry all the 3 parts at a time. No, no, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it.
There you go.
Almost there.
Jam it on.
That's it, that's it.
Yes, she got it. Get the jewel encrusted egg. She
Run, run. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Don't go down, don't go down, don't go down. That's it, that's a smart thing. I think it's an easy win there.
Go all the way across the top. 33.
No, it's gonna be an easy run.
She's gonna make it. She's gonna make it. She's gonna make it. She's got it. Yes, she got it. She's got it. She got it. She did it. She did it. They both did it.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant run.
The game table.
I'm so happy finally, because I told you at the start of the run, I told you how this can be achieved. Been watching this show since long. If you use your common sense, you will easily achieve it, and that's what Red Jaguars did.